Hey guys, this drone is not taking off. I'm trying to, it can't get a GPS signal, and it's kind of too late to fly it already, so we're gonna have to intercept this in a car. Hello guys, I believe. Okay, this is getting crazy. I'm gonna turn the car on so my windshield wipers actually turn on. Oh, stay on. Oh gosh. Yo. Nothing out of this window. Nothing out of here. Actually, we need to get into the open. Hold on. Okay, so currently I'm in the core of this. This is getting crazier by the second. I wouldn't really call it the core because it's not like there's no hail or anything. But let's move to a more open area. Actually, let me make sure I have enough storage for this. It is coming down. Ugh. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Reverse. What is that? We're getting alerts on my car. Okay. Okay, we're in a better area to see it all. Look, the street lights turned on. Oh. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Guys, this is crazy. I would drive down to somewhere crazier, but we're in the core of it right now, so it's intercepting. We're intercepting very well. This is crazy. Lightning! Look at the back. You can see the sticker, my Intera WX sticker. Whoa. It's probably gonna get crazier. I made the mistake of only bringing one phone in here, so I'm gonna have to keep pausing to check the radar. Okay, I can very much tell you we're still in the core. Let's actually back up a bit. We're gonna stand in the middle, like right here. This is not that severe. Hold on. There was just thunder out there, lightning. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. There goes another strike. I was so unprepared for this. Oh my. Okay. Okay, I don't know why this is still recording in 4K, but it's recording. I'm glad this is like a better angle that you can get this at instead of standing under there all the time. We're in this car. We're out in the open. Still coming down. Yeah, everybody's leaving. Yo! It'd be so loud. There we go. Oh, it's stronger. I really need to invest in some probes or something. Oh, that kid knows me. Okay. It's flooding the road. Okay, recording again. Oh. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh. The back glass is too foggy. Oh shoot. show you guys the flooded roads real quick before we go, because this storm is starting to let off. As I was trying to say, we're passing through the green area of the radar. So I'm gonna show you how flooded the roads are. So, okay, now we're moving faster. So the windshield. Look right here. This road right here is flooded. Look. You guys should have heard it. Clutch. I have to turn the car around too. Watch. See that? It's flooded. Make sure to put it back in neutral. Oh my gosh, I'm getting the car wet.